So, you want to learn the stock market? Maybe you've seen it somewhere. Maybe your old friend just talked about it. But either way, you're here. Let's see. What is the stock market? Easy. It's where you buy stocks. Stocks are a share of a company that is public. Public meaning it's listed on the stock market. Did you get that? Let me repeat. Stocks are like a small piece of a pie, and the big pie is the company. Not all companies share their stocks, only companies that are publicly listed, like in PSE or the Philippine Stock Exchange. There's different more around the world. Anyway, there's two ways to be involved in it. Invest it or trade it. There are those who invest in it, and that's okay. But for the small guys who can't wait 50 years and have a big capital, like how we all started in ZFT, we just trade it. Investing is basically buying a share of the company you like, then holding on to it. It's like marriage. You get to know the company intimately before you commit to it. Trading, on the other hand, well, you can say it's more fast-paced. Once it's no longer working out, you gotta get out. To be honest, sometimes we could be trading a particular stock, and they're all just names. We don't know what that company does. All we know is we like the way the price is moving. You know what they say, don't fall in love with a stock. The problem with investing is after waiting for so long, you could have picked wrong. Or that one single year can wipe out 5 years of growth in your portfolio. This doesn't bother the big boys. I mean, they can cash out somewhere else. But for us, we gotta be smarter than that. We need to learn how to dance in this market the way we are designed to do so. You could be trading like a fund manager if you don't have that much funds, no? We move different. So you gotta be tactical. Understand what you are. ZFT is a tribe of traders who uses the ZFT system. Boy, we got the best ones. We got champions and leaders. If you want results, this is where you go. That's why you belong here. But we got no time for people who love to pull each other apart. If you're into that, we ain't the right fit. If you're a complete newbie and you want to learn trading for free, like opening an account, reading price charts, and all the important and basic stuff, there's Trading for Rookies Facebook group. Head over there. But if you're familiar with the ways of the market, here's programs we got for you. Anyway, we're sure you got questions, so slide over our DMs and let's figure out how you can get started to this wonderland of money and how you can join the tribe.
Gusto mo ba mag-invest sa stock market pero hindi mo alam kung paano? We got you! Join our monthly online class now and pwede ka na mag-start mag-invest for as low as 10,000 pesos. This is totally free for everyone. Start your investment journey with us. Click down below to register for free.
Yo, what's up? Good afternoon, guys. Good afternoon. Isa na namang magandang Monday, first day of trading week. Looking at the markets right now, sobrang ganda ng mga galaw. So I believe maraming masaya ngayong Lunes, no? Inom muna tayo ng ano, guys. Honey ginger, no? Sarap. So, good for the sore throat. Alam kong marami-rami yung nagkakasakit ngayon. So, hopefully you guys are okay. Shoutout muna tayo, guys, before we start. Dexter Verboso, watching from YouTube. Good afternoon, sir. Si Jai R din. Abroad Ako TV. Hello, sir. Good morning from UAE. Ayun, may mga ano tayo din. Katribo tayo sa UAE. We have Theometer Camtech. Sana ako ang manalo sa premyo. Sana nga, sir. Ipagdasal natin yan. Boss Oliver, Australia, good afternoon. Ayun na nga. So, ano to? Test buy ako sa 73 ng balay nang iwan siya, di nakapag-add. Thanks sa watch list. Okay lang yan. Okay lang yan, sir. Galingan natin next time. We have Sinohay. Good afternoon. Taga-TR to. Annalyn. No audio po ata. Meron na ba? Rinig na ba ako, guys? Okay. Ayun. So si Joshua, isa sa mga Dota Boys natin. Good afternoon. Si Joshua Angelo. Dito din. Kyle. Ayan, Dota Boys. Boss Dean, good afternoon. Angelo ulit. Ang dami niyo namang Angelo, guys. Si Teng Samson, good afternoon. Lawrence, what's up? What's up, Atos? We have Atos here. RM0, good afternoon. Rochelle, sa mga TLs natin in Trading Republic. Cyrex, good afternoon. Ronnie, andito din si Myra. Happy Monday, Lawrence. Raining afternoon, Boss Yuris. Say Etsay. Ayan. So, maulan-ulan past few days dito, especially in Cebu. No? Ewan ko dyan kung saan kayo ngayon, guys. But, cuddle weather. Cuddle weather ngayon. So, hopefully, magkaroon ng kakadal tong tech natin soon. Kasi malamig ang panahon. Pero I think mainit naman sa kanila kasi medyo maganda naman yung mga trades niya daw. So, Gwyn, good afternoon. Samson, good afternoon. We have Kent. Ayan, si Daisy, andito din. Daisy Tan. I always see her watching every Monday, no? Pati si Earl. Si Earl from Kayaman Island. Si Uhem Ace Gonzalez. Dito din. And then we have Marie Chris. Hello, good afternoon. Hi, D from Australia. Good afternoon. We have Jason too here. Gio. Ayan. And then sino pa ba? Christian Cordero. We have Christian Cordero. Good afternoon, Paul. And then si Anne from Cebu. Tama ba? Cebu ba si Anne? And then sino pa dito? Si Gwyn. Happy anniversary sa Youth Traders. Ayan, sa mga youth traders dyan, what's up, what's up? Some of you I was able to meet last month sa photo shoot. Shikaina, ayan, nandito din si Shikaina. We have Fritz. Sabi ni Lawrence, sandstorm dito sa UAE. Umuulan ng sand pala dyan. Bok, maayong hapon. Maayong hapon, Nonik. Good afternoon. And we have Paul. Shoutout sa iyo, Boss Yuri. Okay. And John Mon, nandito din, humabol. Magandang araw at trade sa inyong lahat. Alright, let's get it on, guys. Ano ba nangyayari sa market ngayon? I hope you guys are earning. Majority ba sa atin Greenport, hopefully, no? Let's take a look at what happened for the first day of the week, no? So we have our 2trade Asia Prime charting platform. Hopefully, ayan, okay, nakita na lahat, no? So let's take a look at ano bang nangyayari for the past few weeks, no? So analyze natin ulit kung ano nang nangyari sa atin, ng market natin. So take a look back natin sa ginawa ng market, no? So downtrend siya from here. Now, as what I'm saying, guys, previously, no, na since downtrend yung market natin, it's going down. Every time it get retests dito sa bandang area na to, together with our MAs, nagkakaroon tayo ng resistance, no? Palitan natin ng red. Oy, huwag na. Ano bang magandang kulay? Eto, yellow. Nagkakaroon tayo ng resistance on those areas. And then right now, like I've mentioned, this one was the critical area. Dito banda. When the market made its higher low here, after making this low over here, nagkaroon tayo ng higher low. And then we have a resistance midline. And then a test of the resistance range And afterwards, this is actually the first time that the market broke out from 50 MA after since March. No, so March, April, May, June, July, August. So that's like around 5, almost 6 months actually downtrend yung market. And then nagkaroon tayo ng breakout here. Close mo muna natin yung ibang MAs, guys. Ayan, para hindi magkalituhan tayo. Para hindi malito si Paul. Looking at it, we have a 50 MA breakout here and a retest of resistance range, and then nagkaroon tayo ng higher low, and then boom, breakout. So nagkaroon na tayo series of highs and higher lows. The market is already out of the woods. Market is reversing, like I've mentioned before. The first signs that the market is already bottoming is that blue chips are actually moving na ahead of the herd, no? Before nagkaroon before pa nag I mean gumalaw yung mga other stocks like basura stocks, um because of bottom picking, because of bargain hunting, nagkakaroon ng galaw yung mga blue chip stocks, especially stocks that are very good in fundamentals. If you're gonna take a look at stocks like Ayala, SMPH, and stuff like that, I think very good. URC, very good yung mga galaw nila. So nauna silang gumalaw versus the um, second liners and third liners. So if you're gonna take a look at stocks like URC, kailan siya gumalaw? Nag-reverse sa June 24. I-compare natin si PSE. Overlay natin. Ayan. So take a look at this very carefully, guys. We're trying to overlay the PSE, no? So URC nagkaroon ng rebound, a very huge rebound here, while the market made its higher low pa here, and then higher low, and then consolidation, and then breakout again, si URC. So nauna na yung URC mag-breakout. We have, I think, Ali, if I'm not mistaken. Medyo late si Ali. Sino pa ba yung mga blue chips na malakas? We have, do we have SMPH? No. How about GFC, Jollibee? I've not been checking blue chips, no, for quite some time. Blue chips, ito si Jollibee, try to rally here, higher low, sinusundan niya lang yung market. Ano pa ba yung ibang blue chips? Konti lang yung alam ko na blue chip stocks. JGS, I think. Summit Holdings. Oh no. We have AAV. Tingnan natin itong ibang blue chip stocks. Hindi ako updated dito, guys, no? Sa mga blue chip stocks. I rarely trade this. AEV. Yan. Si AEV nag-bottom here, rally, consolidate, and then nag-follow sa market na reversal. RRHI, isa sa mga nag-reverse daw, sabi ni Paul. Ayan, ang ganda ng reversal ni Robinson Retail Holdings after bottoming here. Kita nyo, guys, this is a typical stock movement na sinusundan yung market. Nung nag-bottom yung market here, nag-bottom din si RHI, and then nung nag-rally yung market, nag-rally din siya pataas. So we don't want to trade this type of stocks. I mean, you can though. It's like around 30% in almost 2 months, no, of holding. If you were able to get the bottom, of course. But again, here in ZFT, 2trade Asia, we are not genius to pick up bottoms. So hindi tayo genius, ano tayo? More on waiting for confirmation. Yun yung ginagawa natin dito. We don't bottom pick or whatsoever. So as much as possible, we don't really want stocks that are just following the index. We want the stocks that are stronger than what the index is doing. Okay, let's take a look at DMC. DMC is actually one of the best examples out there. Take a look at this very carefully. While the market is going down, the orange line, take a look at this. When it was bottoming here, DMC already bottomed here, and then rallied and made a higher low. Take a look at this very carefully, guys. So DMC, nag-rally, okay? And then nagkaroon tayo ng higher low here. Ito yung low, ito yung higher low, while the market made its lower low. So lower low, ito yung low, lower low. So si DMC made the opposite. We have higher low over here while making the low over here. So this is one of the candidates na malakas, in comparison. It basically has relative strength if you're gonna compare it to the market. So ito yung isa sa mga gusto nating i-trade versus stocks that are just following the index. Okay? Kasi usually sila yung pinakamabilis eh. All right, so I hope you guys were able to trade some of the names that are moving right now. So let's take a look at our favorite stock of for the past few months. We have SEC, our all-time favorite stock na na-watch list natin way before we even started doing charting sessions. Let's take a look at this one. Turn on the MAs. Look at this. This is one of the strongest stocks. The market is going down, right? Well, SEC here is going up and then tried to consolidate and went up and up and up and formed its first higher low here coming from the bottom while the market was making lower lows. And then while the market was consolidating over here, uh, SEC is already making a good move breaking out. See, magkasalungat no yung ginawa nila. SEC is going up while the market is just consolidating here. So this is the stocks that we really want to trade. So going back, ano ba nangyari dito kay SEC, no? So SEC, I know a lot of you were able to trade this but siguro hindi na hold. And I think it's okay if it's in your plans. Like I've mentioned, if given na it is a written plan na you really need to sell, then I think that is still a good trade. Say for example, I'll give you an example. If you're able to buy this stock here at breakout, right? And your trail stop is this yellow line. It's 10 MA. And then you sold here for just about, let's say, around 8%, right? 8% sa. That for me is still a good trade. Since it's a planned trade, no? And you executed it based from ano yung plan mo. Okay? So no shame on that. The next is, say for example, your trail stop is a Darvas box breakdown and you sold over here. Yeah. Diba? With 20 MA as confluence. You gain around 5%, I believe. So if na-whip ka dyan and you sold that, I think that is still a good trade. Since like I've mentioned, planned trade naman siya. So do we know na magkakaroon tayo ng ganitong move ngayon for the past few days? We don't. What if bumagsak siya ng todo and hindi mo sinunod yung plan mo? 'Di ba? Iyak ka, right? So whether the trade here is whether na whipsaw ka or not does not matter. What matters the most is that you are able to make plans and execute it based from your written plan. Other traders usually, ginagawa nila, nagbabago yung plan nila during the trade. That is not the best way to do it. Worst is that doon pala nagpaplano during the trade. So again, that's not a good practice. So as for me, I was like I mentioned, I'm a hardcore trend follower. So my trail stop for this last Monday, I don't know if you guys were able to listen, no? I said that my trail stop would be here at the very bottom part of it dito. So my AP is 3660. Yung AP natin, lagyan natin ng dash line. Blue. Okay. And then my trail stop is this one at 37.80. So I'd be getting out SEC for like around 2% lang yung gain ko in case matamaan yung stop ko. So that is basically my stop for SEC. Um, so, 'di ba, nakakatuwa if bumagsak siya, then nag-execute ka ng plan, you were able to get 9%, 8%, 'di ba? So execute. It's just that ngayon, nag-reverse siya and then naiwan ka. So it's not I mean it's okay if you were able to sell here. My next question is this. Were you able to buy back? Once you saw that your bias was invalidated, this stock gave you signs na okay, I'm just trying to whip you guys. Um, were you able to buy back here or maybe here? So that's the next question. Um, and another thing, guys, no, looking at if you were able to do really hardcore back testing with the index, guys, nagbago na actually yung plans natin. Since the market broke out from its resistance and higher lows. I mean 50 MA and resistance. So from there, mindset is now hodl. Ayan. From a sell on resistance type of market, my mindset was I'm gonna hold this up until my trail stop breaks. So it's not anymore na mindset na previous mindset na, say for example, we're still here at the downtrend dito banda. Majority of the times dyan banda is like just sell. Nung umabot na siya bandang end of July, no? And then it's making higher lows and especially it broke out 50 MA. My mindset was hold on to strong stocks. I'm just gonna hold. Minsan lang mapakita ng malakas na move um yung mga stocks na yan. So I would not choke my trade. I'll just let it go. Just go with the flow hanggang saan siya aabutin. So that was my mindset with SEC. Like I mentioned, with my students, no, one of the hardest thing to do, the setups that's very hard is for me is a trend follower. Imagine looking at your profits from 14% going to as low as 7%. And then yung trail stop mo is 3%. Parang a lot of people tell, are you crazy? From 14, binigay mo you know, yung almost more than half of it. That's the hard part of trend follower. And right now, I'm just, reaping the fruits of my process. I'm just holding on to it. So next question is personally, where would my trail stop be? All right, my trail stop has now moved and promoted to promote na siya sa 39 somewhere here. I'll be around 39.30. So that would be my trail stop. So gain, lalabas ako ng gain that would only be around 7%. All right? And since nagkaroon tayo ng breakout here, hopefully looking at mag-consolidate siya further. By the way, guys, just a tip, no. I'll give you some examples here, no. I know we're spending most of the time here. This is a very perfect example of a leader and a strong leader. Although medyo mahina nga lang yung galaw niya. But I'll give you a tip. When regards to retests, no. Take a look at this. We have a strong box over here. And then nag-breakdown, no. Look at the next resistance. If there is a consolidation, most of the time, ginagawa to ng mga leaders, no? Nagkakaroon ng mga retests. Kita niyo to? And I call them stop hunts, no? This is yan. Kakaroon tayo ng ganyan. And then, look at saan siya retest. Dito lang siya banda. Here. So, stop hunts for weak hands, pag napagpag, and then continue. I have a lot of examples here, but I think one of the best one I have is RG, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so this one. Take a look at this very carefully. We have a resistance here, and then we have a breakout, and then one console, and supposed to be tingnan yung ginawa. Diba, dito dapat na-consolidate. Pero here, pullback siya, nangyari pause. And then, anong nangyari is binalikan niya to. So if you're thinking that, you know, this should have been the box after the breakout. Ito yung conso. Then ito, tax. Whipped. And then, syempre, if you're able to buy here, potentially whip ka dito sa retests. So I have a lot of examples. I forgot kung nasa mahiwagang baol. Tignan natin yung next time, no? Tignan natin. So there's that. Dean has a question. Boss, anong buyback plan execution mo sa SEC? Yeah, that was basically it. I don't have any buyback plans because I'm still holding on to it. AP is around 36 something, 36.60. My trail stop now is this one. Trail stop. Trail stop. Dito na yung trail stop natin kay SEC. So we have a breakout now, and I think on the weekly chart, we still have a resistance at ano ba to next 48 to 50. And then RSI 70 na din siya. So hopefully we'll be able to reach that zone. Ay, hindi na wala pala siya. Okay, let's just put 50. So upside would still be around 16%. So tignan natin if it's gonna reach all-time high. All right. For buybacks, by the way, may stock ako na whip sa SEC because mataas yung AP. So AP is around 38, 39. I sold at break even here. Gap down. And then I bought back here and then added some more here. So that was my buyback plan for SEC. So this one over here, a breakout from 20 MA and EMA 10 and then additional confirmation here. So hindi na ako namili ngayon na breakout. All right. So I think that's it for SEC. If you have questions, you can just write it down there, guys. I'd be happy to entertain some questions. Sabi ni Bosch is, yes, bought back, Boss Yuri. Hindi natakot dahil nagplano na. Very good. Very good. Ayan. So again, staying wrong is fine. I mean, being wrong is fine, but staying wrong is cancer. If you think that mali ka and then you saw that there's an opportunity for you to buy back, then you just go buy back. All right. Next would be ano ba nasa lista natin? Yung mga favorite natin. ABA. I think one of the favorites here is ABA. Let's take a look at ABA here. Looking at this stock. Very strong movement here. Do we see a weakness already? Yeah, we have a slightly below na onting drop ng RSI niya, meaning the strength is weakening, but I do believe this stock is still strong. Nothing much to worry here up until this line here is still good. It can make a big consolidation because if this stock is really strong, it really needs to consolidate. Kailangan niya ayusin to by correcting it, deep correction or a long consolidation. So if long consolidation, that's better. Siguro it will take 3 to 4 weeks consolidation. But if sobrang lakas niya talaga, since RSI 70 pa naman niya, mag-consolidate, ito yung low, make another breakout. So yun, bantayan niyo lang guys. I'm still bullish with ABA. Personally, I don't have it. But kasi na-whip ako. Are we seeing some resistance? Near resistance? Okay. Monthly. Okay. May mga resistance pa pala siya on the left side of the chart. So that's for ABA, no? Very basic lang. 10 MA is catching up. It's currently trying to make a support level here. So, ayun, tingnan natin if it's gonna continue. Next would be Balay ni Mayang. We have Balay ni Frutas, one of the strongest stocks out there in the Philippine market. We were able to watch list this guy, no? Here. Okay? So if sumusunod ka every Monday, you'd know the reason why naging watch list siya dito. Was it here or here? No, 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 no. I'm sorry. I think the watch listing happened here, not this one. Tama ba? Tama ba, guys? The watch listing happened over here. Okay, so sabi ni Tech, yup, tama daw. So watch listing was happened here after the IPO for how many, like a month or so. Nagkaroon tayo ng run up here. So na-watches natin siya with a good volume. And then it consolidated, and look at the moving average. It's below prices already. And then we have, boom, isang breakout na malakas, August 5, and then we bought here. Definitely bought here. Went up and then retest candle, and then we have a continuation. So currently I'm up. Ano ba AP ko dito? Check ko nga. 69.69. Okay, we have 69. So here, 69. And then we're currently up at around 27%. So how about the plans? Am I gonna be selling? Am I gonna be just a breakout siya dito from its high? Are we gonna am I gonna hold? So other people already sold because to be quite honest, due to correction siya, medyo extended na siya from 10 MA. It's like what? It's around 16%. So if you sold there as an overshoot of breakout, we have a resistance over here at the left side. The wick niya, yung pinaka-high. So if you were able to sell here, or maybe here, so far, it's a good sell for me, at least for me, or at least nag-trim ka dyan. Usually, ito nangyayari, we have a breakout here, tapos nagkakaroon ng overextension, extended move because of a good market, buying pressure, and then usually it goes down and consolidates. Yes, hold my balay. Ganun, actually, ganun yung plan ko for this stock. I'm just gonna hold this up until the trend snaps. Very fresh pa naman siya. So I'm really expecting a pullback somewhere around this level here. So 80 would be the pinaka pullback na tinitignan ko. So that's around how many percent? That's around from here to 80, around 10% pullback. So, yun yung tinitignan ko. That's like the average pullback for, I mean, a good pullback, guys, usually 10%. Okay? That's 10%. A high-tight flag setup, usually around 5%. So, most likely, mangyayari dito, in case that's gonna happen, no, it's gonna consolidate here. Ganyan, ganyan. It's gonna consolidate. Yung EMA 10 susunod, and then yung 20 MA. So if it makes a good consolidation and posing for another breakout, yeah, that's basically what I'm seeing. So if, like you've mentioned, if you were able to get here, ano lang, parang, are you fine holding and looking at the profits na matutunaw? Are you comfortable looking at it? Or ayaw mo maging pera maging bato pa? You don't have that strong will to hold on to it. So ang mangyayari sa iyo is basically your plans would be revolving sa personality mo. So if you don't see, you don't like to see profits na natutunaw, then sell a portion, di ba? Have a tight trail stop. We have candle stop or sell all, whatever, you know. And then just make buyback plans na lang in case this stock makes a good consolidation. Now, the downside of having a lose trail stop is lost profits. Imagine if my trail stop is around 0.80. So instead of booking profits, AP ko 69, di ba? Instead of booking profits at around 27%, I'll be now looking at around 15% or 16%. Now, ask your question, are you okay losing around what? Around 10% of your open profits? That for me, my answer is yes. Okay? My answer is yes. So, for you, ask yourself, okay ka lang ba mag-lose ng 10%? If not, then sell portion, sell half, whatever. Take profits. So, okay? So, I hope medyo naging clear tayo doon. We're expecting a pullback and a good consolidation for this stock. But in case it's gonna go up, then wala tayong magagawa dyan. We're just gonna adjust our stop. If it's gonna go down, ayan, stop loss pa rin yung tinitignan natin. Okay, so make your plans, guys. And hopefully, you're able to trade this stock. Next would be, ano bang interesting stocks that we have here? Ani, would Ani be good? Look at Ani. Maraming nag-watchlist nito, no? This is not my prior stocks, but madaming nag-watchlist nito. Maraming napagpag actually here. Kasi naghihintay ng good breakout dito kay Ani. Napagpag sila here. Then afterwards, nagkaroon tayo ng recovery here and then went up. So far, so good. If you're able to buy the breakout, you're up already at around 14%. Yes, I definitely agree kay Kent. Solid psychology talaga yung kailangan. Like I've mentioned before, plans and execution. Plans and execution, ang nag-bridge ng dalawa niyan is basically your trading psychology, your mindset. Alright? So, if hindi same level yung mindset mo sa plano mo, your execution papalya. Alright? So, lesson here would be trade plans. Ang bridge niyan would be, the bridge here would be mindset or trading psych. And then you have your execution. So if the trade plans okay naman, pero palya yung mindset mo when it comes to it. So say for example, hold ko lang. Yung trail stop ko 10 MA, 'di ba? So ito, dito yung 10 MA, 'di ba? Tapos nag-red siya ng malaki bukas. 'Di ba? Nag-red siya nag-pullback siya ng malaki. So yung mindset mo was not ready to look at that type of pullback kahit dito yung trail stop mo sa baba. 'Di ba? Diyan yung trail stop mo. Ang mangyayari sa execution mo, papalya. So, bebenta ka dyan kasi takot ka. 'Di ba? Your mindset, your trading psyche is not ready at all to bridge the two of them. So, trade plans is very good. It's up. 'Di ba? But the mindset is low. So, it will not bridge the execution. So, dapat level yan, guys. Readiness, mindset should be ready para ma-bridge niya yung trade plans. So, for Annie naman, going back for Annie, I don't know kung anong plano nyo dito. Definitely a good breakout. You still have resistances on the left side, no? So, go, if you want to take profits at 7, if it's going to go there, then goods. If you're going to do trail stops, then just hold on to it. You may want to trim over here, dependent na sa inyo, or you just want to trail stop it all the way. Okay? All right. So next stock that we are looking at would be SPNIC, I think. SPNIC is one of the stocks that we're also looking at. So reason why we have SPNIC here because of this one. Right? And then we still have a resistance range over here. We have RSI 70 touch, I believe, RSI 69 or something. I'm actually hoping for a good consolidation. Like, tapikin niya to, and then mag-consolidate siya dito. Ayan. To make like a cup and handle pattern. So, right now, to be quite honest, bumili ako dito, binenta ko siya somewhere here. Yeah, with around 4% ata, something. Because the move na ginawa niya is not the one that I like. So hands off muna ako, and then but very closely monitoring it. Hindi pa naman siya outs. So very closely monitoring it. Volume is coming up here, very good. Closely monitoring this. If this stock breaks out, then I'm gonna buy. I'm just waiting for a good consolidation. This has been like a good accumulation here. Period, no? So, tignan natin si Espenex. Hopefully, makasakay tayo dyan. Alright. What else? We have interesting stocks that we have here. Tech. I believe, hindi to. Isa yung isang tech. Tech. Yan, isa sa mga stocks na binabantay natin. Before the breakout happened here, watch list na natin siya, guys. Okay. Pinakawala si Tech. So we have a good breakout over here and then a retest over here. My favorite setup, I call it CTP. People call it CTP. CTP setup. We have one over here. Very clear CTP setup. We have a good consolidation here. A retest. Diba? Breakout as retest over here. Then higher low back. And then we have another breakout over here. Boom. Okay. So my AP is around this here. I added some more here. So I'm just holding on to it, looking at kung anong gagawin niya in the next few days. So chill lang. It broke out from here, resistance range as well. So problem lang, it's because of this one. Yun yung hirap-hirap pag reversing stock, ang daming babanggain sa left side no? But looking at it, tingnan mo, nakawala na siya dito sa resistance range na yan. So hopefully makahinga-hinga na siya. And it's gonna continue to go up. So this one is also a good buy. This one. Atmo would be here. So yun, that's for Tech. Ano ba yung weekly chart niya? Si Tech, sabi niya, reason why he does not like this is because daw, yung 100 MA, may rule siya na yung 100 MA niya sa weekly dapat nasa baba na. So that's his hard rule niya. That's the reason why he chose other stocks compared to this. So guys, I suggest you also need to have to create your own rules, like strict rules. Not really so much strict, no. Basta tamang rules lang na, you can follow and backtest na ito talaga malalakas na stocks pag, say for example, above 100 MA weekly and stuff like that. So, ayun. That's for Tech. We have Green. I think Green, one of the best stocks I'm looking at that is looking to break out. Ayan, we have a resistance dyan. Andyan yung Pitong Lazarus. Ayo, kalaban ni Eugene, guys. Kilala nyo ba si Eugene? Ayan. Ito yung Pitong Lazarus na malakas na kalaban ni Eugene, no? Looking at it, we have a very good VCP pattern. Take a look at this. It's tightening here, and then we have a very tight consolidation, which I really like. And I was looking at if magkakaroon tayo ng breakout at 185, 184. So hopefully soon siguro I'm seeing good volume accumulation as well. Take a look at that. You might see a breakout soon. Ano bang itsura ng weekly chart nito? 100 MA is still above din. So I believe yung tech natin wala nito. Ayaw niya ng mga ganito. Allergic daw siya. So ayun. Hopefully it's gonna break out, and let's see is magkakaroon tayo ng run up. So of course, cut loss if it does not hold here. Syempre, we always have to have a protective stop. Sabi ni Paul, Master Popo, mas malakas kay Eugene. Si Master Popo. Ako, mahinang nilalang lang yan si Master Popo, Brad. Hindi class S na halimaw yon, Brad. um, so hopefully niya, matalo niya to, guys. No? Alright. So let's go with another stock. FCG, nag-request si Yafa, no? FCG. Okay. So like I've mentioned, for FCG, the trend is still good. It's just on a sideways movement. Look at that here. Ayan. Pag nag-break yan, GG. I think GG. Pag nag-break to, if it's gonna go down, parang I'll pass on it ready. Momentum is humihina, bumabagal. At it can still continue. 'Di ba? Abangan ko lang siya if ever ganun yung gagawin niya. For now, sidelines ako kay FCG. Alright, Wilcon. Look at Wilcon, sabi ni Samson. And di ba na-chart na natin to? I think the buy natin would be a breakout from this one. Right? For Wilcon. Coming from a huge downtrending move over here kay Wilcon. And then nagkaroon ng breakout and retest with a good consolidation. Right? And then goods, di ba? A run up. So we might see a good consolidation here. Mabagal-bagal nga lang to si Wilcon, no? Hopefully ganun yung mangyayari sa kanya. That's for Wilcon. Shout out kay Monkey D. Luffy. Asa ba si Monkey D. Luffy? Di ba last time andito siya? Okay. Busy ata sa Busy ata sa Red movie. Sa bagong movie ng One Piece, no? This coming September ba yung releasing ng sa Pinas? Hopefully, no, na soon yung movie na yan. Fan tayo ni Monkey D. Luffy. So, shout out if andyan si Monkey D. Luffy nanonood. Shout out sa iyo, Brad. All right. Ano pa ba? We have let's go with SSI, I think. SSI, take a look at SSI here. Ayun, so breakout si SSI with RSI 70. It's currently on consolidation at the high setup. We have a good CH setup over here. Coming from a breakout. So I think I really like this. CTP would be the next setup that I'm looking at. Kung magkaroon tayo ng green bar over here. This is a good stock to buy, I think, for continuation. Stops would be here. Hard stops would be here. That would be for SCC. Yeah. So far, so good. SSI pala. SCC tuloy. SSI. What else are we looking at? So, masyado nang madaming masyado na madaming stock na tinitignan natin. I'll go with ABS. Look at ABS for a sec. Grabe na, ang lakas ng ABS. We have a gap up here. Hindi talaga binigyan ng entry whatsoever. Puro momentum breakout lang nangyari. Gap up, momentum breakout. So, I think nauntog na siya here banda sa resistance range niya. I'm just waiting for kailan siya nagko-consolidate. Guys, huwag kayo ma-FOMO here. Looking at it, ito from the gap up. And 40%. Huwag kayo ma-FOMO dyan. If you don't have any setups, okay lang, di ba? I-let go nyo na. Hintayin natin yung consolidation next. Just be patient, no? Be patient, mag-consolidate siya or kunyari, mag-crash siya dyan and then mag-recover, ganyan. Ito mag-consolidate. Mababantayan natin yan. If it consolidates here tightly, then does another breakup, mababantayan din natin yan. So maybe there's a news here. Bakit? Siguro TB5 siguro, yon combination nila. I don't know, but looking at it, this stock is very good. Tignan natin if it's gonna do that move. So far, sidelines. Just looking at it. Green is done. DMC. Yeah, I forgot DMC, no? Partner ni holding company ni SCC. Ay, tapos na pala to, guys. May drawing na tayo dito kay DMC, no? Breakout si DMC coming from a retest over here. Classic retest and then a breakout. So far, so good, DMC. We're good. Green done na. Can we have one more. We have let's go with SecB daw. SecB. SEC B, ito yung sinasabi ko yung SEC B na pwedeng reversal kay SEC B, breakout, and then target price would be here. So good volume si SEC B. 3%, 12%. Yeah, so far reversal stock. Quick trade lang dapat si SEC B. Now guys, again, we have ilang viewers natin ngayon, Tech? Ilan na ba tayo ngayon? We have 132. Wow! Are we beating the highs already? 132 viewers. Good afternoon sa inyong lahat, no? For the viewers here that does not have any account yet, brokerage account yet, and wants to start investing, you might want to click on the link provided below. That's 2trade Asia. All you need to do is just click on the link, sign up. For just 10,000 pesos, you can open the best brokerage account here in the Philippines. So, sign up. They have free classes in case, sakit yung ulo nyo. Ano ba sinasabi ni Boss Yuri? Ano ba yung mga terms na to? Ano ba yung CTP? Ano ba yung CH? Ano ba yung boss breakout? Ano ba itong MAs, moving average? If you don't understand any of it at all, kahit buy and sell, hindi mo na gets. You can open an account. They have free. 2trade Asia is offering free classes. Um, and from level 0 to level 1, it's good for you. Just they have class. It's for free. So kompleto tayo dyan, lahat, no? And then of course, like I've mentioned, my favorite part is conditional orders. And then may niluluto yung 2trade Asia sa atin soon. So excited na ako kailan nila lalabas, no? So we'll just wait for them na I'm sure tayo dito yung mauuna, no, na pwedeng tumingin sa changes, no, na gagawin ng 2trade Asia. So sa mga nagtatanong kung anong CTP, sabi ni Boss Dean, you can join the technical intensive, and that's gonna start this coming end of August. I think August 31. Tama ba? So kita kits. Kita kits, guys. Kita kits sa mga people here. Ayan, technical intensive. Basahin niyo yung nasa background ko. Ano ba tong class? Technical intensive class. Whoop. Ayun. So, technical intensive class, guys. August 29 magsa-start. So, if you don't have any system yet, you don't have a proven system, you don't have a community, or kahit you're a trader level 3, level 2, and don't really have a solid community, sa tingin mo class A na halimaw ka lang, or class B na halimaw ka lang, gusto mong gayahin si Sun Tzu, no, na maging class S na halimaw, you can join technical intensive, guys. Gayahin mo sa Boss Dean na class S na halimaw na din. So join us, guys, this coming August 29. Ilang weeks na lang, no? That's like around 2 more weeks, and we'll be having our class na. Pag pag nalaman mo magiging class S na halimaw ka na, magiging class S na halimaw ka na daw. Okay, kita kits. Sa mga setups na yan, kung wala kang personal setups, like we have momentum setups, we have swing setups, we have trend following setups, the mindset on how to handle stuff, the trades, risk management, psychology, and stuff like that. It's all complete in the class. For level 1, 2, and 3 traders, you can join the technical intensive this coming August 29. All right. Thank you very much, guys. Let's go to Ever, the next stock. Ever Gotesco Resources. So Ever, very interesting, no? Very interesting. We have a run up over here. And then nagkaroon tayo ng consolidation with a tight consolidation over here. Hindi siya nagkaroon ng double bottom almost. So I think 8-1. So kung i-Fibo mo to, ito yung last na Fibonacci retracement at 81 something. Meron ba si 81? Wala. So I think that's around 81 something, guys. 85. 1.85. Tama ba? Oy, mali. Basta, nakalimutan ko yung Fibonacci retracement na yun. Basta yun yung pinaka-last na retracement na dapat makita natin after a good run up. And then we have a retracement over here, di ba? And then right now, nagkaroon tayo ng second test of resistance with a good uh, volume coming in, no? Kakaroon tayo ng good volume kay Ever. So we have run up over here and trying to make a potential cup and handle pattern. So breakout at yung tinitignan dito kay Ever. Masakat yung flock nito, guys. So position size very well. This is a reversing stock as well. Ayun yung resistance niya, oh. Ayan. So major resistance breakout yung mangyayari if it breaks in the next few days. Okay? So be very, very if you really want to have the stocks, I mean, to trade this kind of stock, no? Bantayan niyo 'yan. Weekly chart. Ayan. Kaya pala yung tech natin gustong-gusto to because 100 MA sa baba pa ng presyo. Breakout na pala siya weekly, no? Subtle breakout. So we might see a continuation for this stock in the next few days. Mind sizing, guys. Mind your size, guys, kasi Makati. Makati ang flock nito. Tingnan natin. Ayan, no? Isang flock 2%. Tama ba? Isang flock 2% ba to? 3%, isang flock pala. 3.5. Nako po. Nako po. Mapapatayo ka nito, guys. Pag bumagsak na dalawang flock or tatlong flock, mapapatayo ka nito. So, mind your sizing, guys. Tingnan nyo kung kayang-kaya ng psychology niyo yan, no? Isang flock, pipikit. Pikit isang flock, no? Mapapapikit ka sa Ever flock. So, ayun. Kay Ever, i-save ko nga natin, ilagay natin sa watchlist to si Ever, guys. Para para in case may pera pa tayo, pwede nating matrade to. Okay la. Okay la. Let's go to Asen. Kung ano nangyari kay Asen. And Asen, like I've mentioned, very slow stock mo talaga to, guys. I'm not expecting it's gonna, make this fast move again. Consolidate muna siya, recovery. What's good with Asen, guys, sa structure ngayon is nagkaroon tayo ng exact resistance at 88 something to 9. So in case mag-breakout siya dyan, medyo kampante na tayo na okay, goods na tong stock na to. Okay? So consolidate muna siya here, somewhere here, ipon lakas, and then bang, breakout. Or maybe mag-breakout siya the next few days. Hindi natin alam. So tingnan naman natin. Not a priority si Asen sa akin. But definitely it's still in the watch list. Isang palo parang 10,000 agad. Okay? Ganon si Ever, guys. So may question tayo galing kay Marie. Sir, do you consider quarterly earnings reports when you prepare a plan? That's very good. To be quite honest, I'm putting that in my arsenal, no? Looking at stocks that has good earnings. But secondary lang siya na filter. Secondary filters lang siya. So for example, Wilcon has a good, I think, earnings. SEC has a good earnings. I chose SEC versus Wilcon because the structure is good compared to Wilcon. So secondary filter siya. Sabi ni Alex, 0.812 pala. Ayan, sabi si Alex Dota Boys ba to? Yung Alex na to, if I'm not mistaken. Thank you very much, Alex. Yun pala yung Fibonacci na kulang ko kanina. That's around 0.812. Ayun na nga. Tama ba? Okay, di ko sure. Sasabi niya 812 daw. So let's go with ano pa ba? Guys, do you still have any stocks that we're looking at? CTS, sabi ni Ronnie. O si Ronnie ba tong ano? Ronnie the ano? The kalimutan ko. Yung ano, taga TFR ba to? Or different one? So shout out Ronnie. Ronnie, sa CTS naman, yeah, so far, trending is very slow lang. Trend is good. It's not just the way that we're expecting the stock to move. Volume, goods. So for me, okay na okay siya. Although, yung trail niya ngayon is 20 MA. Very clear. So it might consolidate, catch up. and then breakout. So hopefully biblish. Hopefully biblish. Let's go with MM. So we have a breakout coming from this low. I'm not really interested that much here in but this is a reversal stock. We have a breakout coming here, breakout, tapos CH, and then continuation. So for me, if you have guys, don't hold it. Sell it somewhere here or maybe here. Uh, and this is still a downtrend for me. Overshoot lang yung tinitignan ko dito kay Unless it will make a good consolidation, that would be hindi pa siya AOTS, oh. So for me, sell talaga yan. Mga ganyan. So that's it. Medic, let's take a look at Medic. Parang ganito guys, oh. Medic tsaka parang ganito. Sell on resistance siya. Sabahan niyo pag mag-breakout na lang siguro to si Medic. Not on my alpha lists, to be quite honest. Interesting stock that I haven't checked for a while. Keeper daw. Keeper Holdings. Oh. Okay. Keeper. Ano nangyari dito kay Keeper? Ano ba to? Stock nag-divide. Ito pa ang keep. Tama naman, no? Tama ba tong stock na to na tinitignan ko, guys? Keeper. Taka nga, tignan ko nga dito. Keeper. Tama naman pala. Interesting. Keeper has definitely has momentum. I'm not sure kung okay bang board nito. Tingnan ko nga. Okay naman pala. May laman naman pala. So Keeper, yes, definitely okay siya, guys. Consolidate some more here. Or maybe CH setup. Right? Consolidation and then breakout. Ayan. Very good. Keeper. Ganda to ah. Good eyes. Sabi ni Bien Garin, we have Converge. Man. No. This is basically a yuck stock, guys. Ben, if you have this or if you're planning to trade it, just don't. I beg you. This is breaking down. It's on downtrend. We have a lot of stocks that going up. Stop picking stocks that looks like this. I mean, this is not a good stock to invest. This is not a good stock to trade at all. Downtrend, that's not a good okay. So sabi ni Tech, yung Keeper is Davin ata before, if I'm not mistaken. Tama ba? So no for no for this stock. Mark, I'll pass on it, guys. I'll pass on it. This for me masyadong hilaw pa. SGP. Ano to? Teka lang. Hirap naman to, guys. Okay. Ganito pala yung itsura niya. SGP. Okay. May setup naman si SGP. Pwede. May laman ba to? SGP. Meron naman pala. Uy, may laman pala to, guys. 42 million yung value ah. Interesting. So SGP, we have a resistance range over here. Ayan. Tingnan natin if basura stocks. I think isa to sa mga pipitikin siguro pag nagbasura si Son. Ayan, breakout. SGP. Sige, ilagay natin to sa watchlist B si SGP, guys. Just in case. My setup. PXP daw. PXP is, I think that it's still good. Nag-recover naman si PXP. Coming from here, nagkaroon ng bigger box. Yeah, breakout for this would be good, I think. Mind the resistances on the left side lang siguro for PXP. So we're done with those stocks, RHA, AVI. Monde. Okay, ano ba nangyari kay Monde? Ayan, nag-recover. Bigat lang nga lang to. Goods naman si Monde, guys. Mabigat nga lang to. Approaching resistance range here. RSI 70 din siya. So, tingnan natin if magtuloy si Monde. So far, okay naman siya. Not a priority stock though. One interesting stock that I'm looking at is EMI. Akala ko magbe-breakout na siya pero hindi. So, ayan, yan lang yung binabantay natin, guys. This breakout over here. So, up until walang breakout na mangyayari, I won't touch this stock. Bantay-bantay lang. Bantay-bantay lang. MWC daw, sabi ni Edget. Nope. This is not a good stock, guys. It's downtrend. Ayaw natin yan. AP. Nope. I don't like this stock too. Mabagal. Sideways. SPC reversal. SPC power. Pag mapapatanong ka talaga, parang hindi ka sure nito, no? I think the run-up is already there. It needs just kulang pa lang consolidation. I think it needs to consolidate if it's gonna reverse. So Bloom. Yeah, Bloom is okay. We want this stock to consolidate here. That was AOTS before siya mag-run up. QRC is very good. One of the stocks that we've mentioned before na dito pa lang siya bumabagsak. We like this already. Breakout and then right now, high tide flag. So we might see a breakout soon. So hopefully guys, no, with all the stocks that we're looking at, hindi mo matatrade yan lahat, no? All you need to do is basically look at stocks that are the leaders. Ito yung isa sa mga tinitignan ko, guys, MVP criteria. We have momentum, we have volatility, and then we have participation. So momentum is basically kung gaano kabilis yung stock pumunta from 8 pesos to 12 pesos. Dapat mabilis siya pumunta dyan. Volatility, kung gaano ang range, kalaki yung range na ginagawa niya from 8 to 12. No, ganon. Malaki ba or tight ba? And then participation will be, of course, the volume kung ilang nagtitrade. Kaya I really want to make sure na may participation. Oh, shout out kay Tito Vlogs na halos araw-araw nagla-live session. So guys, follow si Tito Vlogs, guys, if you're interested to know some inputs about the PSE market, crypto market, ayan, from 2trade Asia. More power, ZFT, sabi ni Tito Vlogs. So follow natin si Tito Vlogs, guys. Ano natin? Follow natin yan. Ayan. Support natin. Tito Vlogs, shout out sa iyo. Thank you very much for sharing. Almost every day nagla-live yan, guys, no? So follow natin yan. Exercise done. Ayan, MVP noted, sabi ni Boston. So ito lang yung criteria na tinitignan ko. Momentum, volatility, and price. So if ever you want to know more about MVP criteria, we have a webinar specifically in this setup, MVP. You can check out on the Trading Republic Drive Level 2. I forgot the title. Pero I forgot the title. Ano title nun? Basta andun. Hanapin nyo lang, guys. I've specifically discussed about MVP criteria and how to catch winners. If ever you want to catch bagger stocks like ASEN. Do you remember the stocks before? Years ago, ASEN, we have Dito, we have Converge, right? Yan, we have those stocks. Yan, paborito na yan. Itong tatlong to is under the MVP criteria. Okay? So, hindi nakalusot yan. Si ASEN dito, Converge na mga stocks. Ano pa ba yung iba? MM2. MVP criteria yan, lahat. So, nasakyan natin lahat yan. These names, check. Alright? So, and that's the reason why we have SEC as well. because of the MVP criteria. Although yung volatility niya bagsak, M is good, yung M is up, V is low, P is very up. So ito na lang yung kulang niya, volatility. But let's see, maybe bibili siya in the next few days. So ayun, again, guys, technical intensive, 2 more weeks na lang. If you don't have any solid system in trading, crypto, US market, and Philippine market, you don't have any system for it, you might want to enroll on our upcoming class, technical intensive class, that would be August 29. So sign up, guys, 2 weeks na lang. You'll learn a lot, setups, yung mga setups na minimension natin, slingshots, CH, CTP, M&M, ito, MVP criteria and stuff like that. It's all there in our class. So it's already 4:10 p.m. Thank you very much for watching with us every Monday. Solid yung mga viewers natin ngayon, 130 something na daw tayo. No? Again, guys, 2trade Asia, if you don't have any brokerage yet, sign up with us. Announcement, upcoming homecoming sa TR, Trading Republic. You may check our Discord channel and sign up. Kita-kits tayo doon. So may bubulong tayong sikreto doon, guys. Diba? May marites kami doon na sasabihin. So wag kayong mapa-FOMO. Ma-FOMO pala kayo. Attend kayo. Attend kayo. Alright, thank you very much again, guys. Have a good afternoon. That's it. I'm out. You're delicious. Stay delicious, guys. Thank you very much. God bless. Bye-bye.
Gusto mo ba mag-invest sa stock market pero hindi mo alam kung paano? We got you! Join our monthly online class now and pwede ka na mag-start mag-invest for as low as 10,000 pesos. This is totally free for everyone. Start your investment journey with us. Click down below to register for free.